Hello students. Uh, in previous video we have discussed about what are relative clauses, uses of who, which, that and their omissions. Now let's continue with the same topic, that is relative clause. Today we will discuss sometimes we use preposition in relative clause. कई बार हम preposition use कर लेते हैं. For example, this is the bus that I have been waiting for. See, here it is a preposition and it is relative pronoun. Let's take one more example. The cafe that we normally go to is closed today. Here to is the preposition. So in both the sentences, cafe and bus are the object of the relative clause. So we can also remove these as we have discussed earlier. Now sometimes prepositions are also put before the relative pronoun. For example, physics is the subject about which I know a little. See, here we have used the preposition before the relative pronoun. Let's take one more example. Anita is the girl from whom I learned dance. See, from is used before whom. Whom is also a relative pronoun. So, whenever we are using which and whom, जब भी हम which और whom use करेंगे, we will put the preposition before this. Which से पहले and whom से पहले. So, let's come to the use of whose. We use whose at the place of his, her, their and its. Let's take some example of this. I met a lady whose daughter works in TV. See, her daughter works in TV, so हमने यहाँ पर whose use किया. Let's take one more example. Tina is taking care of a puppy whose leg has been broken. So its leg, puppy के लिए हम its use करेंगे, but when we join the two sentences we use whose here. Now let's come to the use of whom. Whom is used in place of him, her, them and it, means it is used as object. Let's take an example. The girl whom we congratulated is the winner of the competition. So वी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटेड अ गर्ल, तो यहाँ पे गर्ल ऑब्जेक्ट है तो हम यहाँ पर whom यूज करेंगे. लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. सॉरी, द मैन whom I saw in the corridor was the chief guest. Means I saw a man in the corridor, he was the chief guest. So I saw the man. यहाँ पर man object है तो we will use whom here. Now let's come to the use of where. Where is used to show a place. When we refer to a place, we use where. For example, the town where I was born had a beautiful church. So here where is referring to the town, that is a place. Let's take one more example. I saw a garden where beautiful red roses bloomed. So here where is referring to the garden, a place. So here where is used to show the place. So these are the uses of whose, whom and where.